Huh? See? Look, you already fucking up.
Yeah, I don't.
What up, guys? We going on our fishing trip, you know. Doing a little camping, a little fishing. We finna get it in. Look at me and Duty and Cavelli. They beat me up here, guys. Huh? I got you, I'm coming. Doing our little fishing trip. Fish, fish, fish.
How do we get to the other side?
Look pretty good out here, guys. Duty, say what's up to the chat.
What's up, chat?
Tell me you been eating everything so your face all chocolatey and stuff.
Yeah.
We got Vels over here. We got Mia.
Yeah.
Vels, say what's up.
What's up?
We don't have scissors.
There you sis. Mia taking them fishing paws. We got Duty with fishing paws. Spider-Man fishing paw. You know,
I want that one.
the Spider-Man fishing paw. Cool, man.
That other spider fishing pole.
Where do you get that from?
Okay, I have it.
Chill out. Hey, wait, Duty. Let's get it in, guys.
Duty, stop.
The Ellis family, you know what we doing. Out in the woods, y'all. There go a snake. I'm just playing.
There goes snake, Daddy. There goes snake. Daddy, I see the snake.
Where?
Right there.
Where's the snake?
Right there.
Great, grab it.
No.
You ain't gonna grab the snake? Say what's up, little guy. In the phone.
There we go.
Say hi.
Duty, wait.
Cavelli. Say hi, little guy.
All those fishes.
You always biting those shit.
You have it now.
Hey, Duty, man. You know number one thing about fishing, okay? You want to get it in, baby. Number one thing about fishing.
Patient, boy. Patience is a
Wait,
virtue.
Giovanni.
Put it back down, son, till we fix it. Leave it alone till we fix it. You just having fun, man. Huh? You having fun?
Oh, fish.
You calling the fish, bro?
Yeah.
Did
Yeah.
you catch a fish, mister?
Fish. Hi.
All right, now I need
Mommy, can I have it now?
bobber. I think it came with 2 bobbers.
He got dirty wild. Mama. What? You good down there? That's the worms, boy.
You forgot the worms.
Huh?
You forgot the worms, Daddy.
No, I didn't.
Put this one on.
All the stuff for it, you know? Everything for it. Not the bobbers and shit on
Is that
there. Huh? See? Look, you already fucking up.
Yeah, I don't.
Look at that worm.
they
You scared to
moving?
touch it? You scared to touch it?
Yeah, I don't want to touch it.
You scared to touch
moving.
that worm.
They're moving. They're moving.
It's a live worm, Duty.
Not they
You scared?
Creepy man eat worms, Daddy.
What's all that on your face, bro?
I don't know.
I
I think
bet.
it's the
Okay. Now hold
Look
it.
at Mama
You gotta
Mia
wait.
teaching
No.
Duty.
You gotta wait. Stand there and show.
Stand there, just hold it right there, Duty. No, don't reel it in yet. Keep it right there. You got some? You got some, Duty?
Yeah. Do.
You gotta hold it up, man. You can't let it get caught in that stuff.
I got it. I
Okay.
got the fish.
No, you ain't got a fish yet. Y'all watch me fish with duty shit. You feel me?
I didn't see him.
Y'all ready, guys?
Yeah?
Here, dude.
Oh.
Oh, there you go, Mia. Here, dude. Oh, don't hook us. Mia trying to hook us and shit. You gonna catch some? Hey, get back. Don't go too close. Yeah, you can get about right here. Come on. You can get about right here. Stay right there, though. Yo, it is so peaceful out here, y'all. I love it.
Got something.
You got something. Look at this. Oh, man, you got all seaweed
I
and
got
stuff.
a fish.
Oh, that's not a fish. Hey, don't reel it in yet, dude. You gonna fuck your wire up. What you got over there? You caught something, man? Ain't nothing over there. What you doing, boy? What you doing? What you doing? Reel it in, dude. Yeah, it's a lot of stuff on it. You reeling it in, dude? Yeah, reel it in. Yeah, keep reeling it. That's how you get them too. They think it's fishing.
Yeah.
I see you, son.
No.
Got a little cold, y'all.
Caught something, Daddy.
What you catch, bro?
I got your fish.
You did?
Yeah.
What y'all catch, man? Y'all ain't caught nothing. What you talking about over here? You reeling it, dude?
Yeah.
Reel it in. Reel it in, son. Oh, he ate your one?
Yeah.
Oh, so they biting right here.
We might have to move shop.
They didn't bite my worm.
He ate your worm. You reeling it, son? Look,
Yeah.
they got your thing, your dauber, your worm. You can't get it tangled up, so you gotta tangle it up. Let me get it off for you. You reeling it? What you catch yet, me?
Nothing yet.
They ain't biting at all in this motherfucker. They is? They taking your shit? Oh, what's with the torch? What's up, buddy? Say hi. Say hi. Dude just left his paws sitting up. Really crazy, man. Got no rain on there, bro. Shit biting, y'all. Yeah, me too. Yeah, they ain't biting at all. Got this football. Duty. Look. Look. Ah! Fuck. We fucking lost. We been doing that all day.
Daddy,
We fucking lost the football, man.
Where you going, Bill?
Fuck. Airplanes flying.
Hi, bad boy. Duty, stop.
Guess we ain't catch nothing, guys. Next time.